See the wasps there, all lined up trying to get in. See the wasps, they'll be on the bucket. See, they're all in there. There's lots of wasps here tonight. See them all lined up at the bottom. And that's all honeybees in there. I'm getting zapped here. See, you can see there's dead carcasses. There's one right there, dead carcass. That's from the battles of the day. The honeybees are still overwhelming them. You can see in here in the hive, you just got to move gentle and you got to stay away from their entrance ways because they get really pissy about people being at their entrance. You can see them just going in. They're just hauling nectar just left, right, and center. As you can see, you know, I'm fully dressed and clothed up here. So we'll pull the lid off this one here. Kyle, you can have a little peek at it. Just give me a second here. So you can see here they're all this is the little air breather hole that they got. So we'll okay, so there's the bees. And you can see there's the pollen pack. They're all taking pollen off it. A couple that died, see them all up here. Now for the most part, we'll just set this down here. The bees will take off from, for the most part, these bees here, they're pretty nice. So you can kind of push them around a bit and get them off there. You can bump them. And they're kind of okay with it. But if you look down in between the frames, like there's just thousands of bees. Now on this end frame over here, I don't know if I can get it out. They get a little stuck in there. And you get the fucking hornets. The hornets are trying to steal juice. So you see this frame here, we got nothing built on it. No wax. They're working on it, but they don't really see it. I'll try and see if I can see a scoop in it. So this frame here, if you look in there, you can see it's starting to be built up. I'll just set this aside. Now, for the most part, if you just okay, I'll have to put my phone down just so I can see that here. You can have a little look at them guys going in and out. I'm just gonna see if I can pull this frame up. There's the frame up. Now you can see in here that glistening, that's all honey being filled up in there. Okay, these guys are capping it, so this one's capped wax. Then we'll flip this frame around. So this is the new comb that they're building. And when they get this constructed, they'll start filling it. And this is the last frame in this box. So they're pretty full right now. See, there's a hornet. See it trying to get in? See it? See that big hornet? He's a robber. He's coming in. If he gets into the fucking hive, there will be a battle from hell in there. There's already one in there. And they'll take him out because he is a danger to the queen and everything she stands for. See, See, there's a hornet there. See him on the fucking thing here? See, there's a couple of them. Now, if you wave too much, you'll end up with fucking threats. Because remember, these bees are all on high alert right now. So I'm just going to push this frame over tight so I can put the other one in. If you hear me screaming like a girl, it's because I got attacked by 10,000 bees. Okay, so picked up that frame and I've got it now. I've got it tight up against the other guys. It'll give me room to put this in there. And there was a hornet that went down in there, but he won't last long. This hive is very strong right now. You can see all the hive, the honey and stuff being built there. Okay, so that's the video there. Thank you.